trying to get this Traxxas Rally Slash to 70 miles an hour. So with stage 1, we're shooting for around 40 miles an hour. So to make that happen, we have this Traxxas VXL Valenian motor, and then we also have the Traxxas 3S ESC. Now, whenever you're running them, they actually can get quite hot, and Traxxas recommends to put a fan on your ESC. So we have this fan here. This mount is from Traxxas. There used to be a fan in here, but they do break quite often. So this Racing fan is really durable. It's pretty loud, but it keeps things pretty cool. And then also, Traxxas doesn't really say anything about it, but this Valenian motor gets pretty hot too. So we also do have this heat sink that to just fan out the heat, so air can get in. And with that, all that power, you also need this TQI receiver, which just gives you a gyro in your tires. So if you start to fishtail this way, it'll turn you back this way so you straighten out. So that just helps you not go straight into the ditch right when you punch it. We're gonna throw this in and get a speedometer on it and see if we can get it going probably around 40. Along with going 40 miles an hour, a couple things that could go wrong is this center drive shaft is plastic. On most of the slashes, it's actually metal, so this might break. These shock caps tend to pop off a lot since they're plastic and they flex, they'll just pop off. So we might get GTR shocks, which already come with titanium shock caps, big bore shocks. You can adjust the springs by a little screw. So that's why you might need GTR shocks. Their shaft is also thicker, so they won't bend. You have these tires here. They do like to balloon a lot when you're going at these super high speeds. So we might try to get some Pro-Line belted tires just to stop them from expanding whenever we're at the super high speeds. All right, we're gonna go throw this in and give it a couple test runs. Okay, so we got it all set up. We got our mini GPS speedometer here. This is really cheap. I think it was about 30 bucks from Amazon. It's supposed to be like a mini bike GPS. You can get one. So we're gonna hook it on there. Hopefully a 40, maybe even a little more, and just see, yeah. Hey, that's what it was.
That kind of overcorrect.
Okay, we're gonna go check the speeds now. We did a couple rips down and back on the road. Okay, we got 36.2. So that's on the stock pinion. We'll go throw the high-speed gear pinion in there and see if we can get it going. I feel like we could go 42 with it. Okay, so we're back in here. We just swapped the tooth from a 11 tooth to a 19 tooth. So we're hoping to get it going 46. If it goes faster than that, I will be super happy. So we're gonna get it back out there and see what the top speed is.
I'll do one coming back.
All right.
That was freaking fast.
Jeez.
One more coming back.
All right. This thing was ripping down the road. I can already tell it's doing way faster than 36.
What's your bet? What's your guess?
Okay, 45.
I'm gonna say 56.
56?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it off. $53.
Nice.
Oh, that was ripping down the road. So we're actually pretty close to our goal. We're gonna throw a hobby wing in this car. Hope we throw some sway bars on it, GTR shocks, maybe. We might just end up throwing the aluminum shock caps on it. We're trying to deck this thing out. We might throw a chassis brace across the top because this car the bumpers are inside the body, and if it smashes, the drive shaft might get bent. So we're gonna try to just make this a super durable and super fast car.
Hey, real quick, you want to punch the throttle and see if the tires expand? I forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
Let's just see what that looks like real quick.
53.
Hang on.
Here's
Further away.
down.
Oops. Alright, yeah, so we may have to get some tires that don't expand. I'm guessing we put too much more on those.
Sorry, what?
They might blow up.
Yeah.
So we may have to get some belted tires. Doesn't seem like it likes the grass as much as the other slashes. Even though the grass is short and dead. Oh! Doesn't like to land like the other flashes.
Yeah.
Need more of a dirt car than it is.
Try to land like right here. Alright, now let's try to do a high-speed rip on the ground. So it probably won't go as fast as on the road just because less traction. So we'll just do a couple down and backs and then we'll just give you like a little like what we think about it and what's good. Yep. Okay guys, we opened up the shell and this is what we find. The whole entire car is filled with grass. So this car isn't really made for grass. It has, every time you go on grass, it's just bump, 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 bump. The body is really low to the ground. Okay guys, so our overall thoughts of this truck, really like it. It's really good on road. The only thing is if you're looking for more of an off-road truck, this probably isn't the truck for you because if you're off-road, you probably would want a little more power, and it does only come with 2S stock. So you're gonna have to throw a whole like new VXL system. Link that in the description.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
In case we'll just cut it out.
But this isn't really an off-road truck. I mean, I think one thing that kind of surprised us about the Rally Slash, it's not. We thought it was going to be a Slash with a different body, and it's really not. It's really feels like almost a cross between a Fortec and a Slash. It feels more of like an on-road car or a dirt car. It seems like it handles super well on road.
Yes,
It
definitely.
It doesn't seem like it tips over. Like sometimes the Slashes will pick up a wheel when you're turning and punching it, and this seems to stay pretty well planted. I think it could use sway bars. I think we did see a little bit of roll when we were going fast. But any other thoughts?
If you do want this for an off-road truck, definitely get a new body. The splitter that's kind of molded into the body, that hits the ground a lot just trying to go through grass.
Yeah, if you want an off-road truck for grass, you might as well get either a Haas, a Stampede, or even a Slash. Even Slash does better than the grass. Yeah. And like you're saying, if you want to hit jumps, this probably is not the one for you either. I mean, you probably want to get a Slash where the front is actually part of the bumper instead of actually getting into the body.
And speaking of bumpers, these bumpers do not stick out of the body. They're inside. So they do a little bit of stuff, but it hits the body first. So most likely if you're running it outdoors, you're going to be smashing into stuff, running through, hitting dirt and stuff. And if you back into something, it's just going to mess the body up. So you probably want to get new bumpers for it.
Yeah. So if we don't like this for off-road, why do we like it? Or do we like it?
So I definitely think we do like it. Really the main reason we got it is to make it a speed car. And I think for that purpose, this is just a great truck.
Yeah. So why don't we just go Fortec? We want a speed car.
Well, this is a little bigger.
Yeah.
Fortecs, they're smaller. I don't know.
Well, I think also with Fortecs, they sit super low to the ground.
Yeah.
So even if you hit a piece of gravel, so where we live, we have a gravel driveway, and then sometimes there's gravel on the road. If you have a Fortec and it sits all the way on the ground, I mean, almost anything's going to cause a problem. And I think we thought it'd be cool because we have several slashes. You know, we have like 6 slashes now. Since this technically is a slash with shorter arms and then a different body, I mean, that's kind of the main thing, really, is just the shorter arms and the different body. We thought it would be fun to see how fast we could actually get it. Yeah. So, remind me, these things out of the box on the 2 BL, or was it BL-2S, they do about 30 miles an hour. Yeah. So what was our top speed on this?
53.
53 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we compare this, Limestone Hobbies all-time speed record
is 54 with
and it was
that slash.
Right here. When we put the same gear, we just pop that on. Okay. Back to what we were talking about. Okay. 53 miles an hour. 54 miles an hour. And the setups were identical. They both had the VXL-3S with a 19-tooth pinion on both of them. I don't know why. I don't know why this is 1 mile an hour faster. I don't know if the tires are a little bit taller. One thing we found is this body definitely does not parachute.
Yes.
Even at top speed, 53 miles an hour, it wasn't trying to backflip. It seemed like it was actually really well planted. Yep. When this goes 53 miles an hour, it feels like it just wants to catch air.
Yeah, under enemies, Also, these aren't the stock tires that we used whenever we did hit 54 with this truck. Right. These are some Amazon street tires.
Yeah. Yep. But it seems like these are 2 totally different trucks. I can see why you would want one of each of them. This is obviously the better truck. If you're in your yard, if you're hitting jumps, if you're wanting to bash, this is a way better truck. Yeah. If you're wanting to go on road,
speed.
Yeah, messing around. Yeah. This is a super fun truck. It doesn't seem like this would be your only truck though. I can't imagine if you said, hey, I just want one truck, it would be this one. It seems like you're kind of limited to what you can do. But this
one, there's a lot of different things. You can lower it, make it street. You could hire it, make it like a super
monster slash.
Put big huge tires on it, different body. But this car, it's like if you have it, you're kind of limited to, all right, it's just a street car. But for what we want it for, it's a great truck.
So overall, love the truck. That was stage 1.
Stage 1.
Now we'll get ready for stage 2.
Stage 2.
And see if we can get up to our goal of 70 miles an hour.
70 miles.
Yep. All right.
See ya.
Just to see ya.
See ya.
Just to see ya and we're done.
Peace.